Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Guess what we've got today? I didn't film my last two because I thought I was going slightly overboard with my haul, so I just put pictures up on social media of the things that I got. But I decided to video this one because this is the monthly one where I've got PR, which I'll be showing you throughout the month. So as usual, I'm going to sort all this out into sections and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to start off with foil because apparently I just got the one. That was so good. That's because I bought every other one with the offer. Okay, so it's this holographic star one. Everyone knows how much I love stars. So this was a must-have for me and I will be using this directly. As you can see, I have bare nails. I want to do a black set of some sort, so I think this will be involved. So that's my foil. I got some wee bits. I got more footballs, probably for a giveaway. I had to get these wee bows. They might be incorporated in this design as well. How cute are they? I love bows, love bows. I got the wee emoji smiley faces. Not sure how much of them I'll use or when I'll use them, but you never know. I also got 3 different colours of daisies. I got the white ones, which I've had before and used, so I ran out. I got pinky ones, and I also got the lilac ones. How beautiful are they? They are absolutely gorgeous. So that's them. And I also got another chain, another bit of bronze chain, because I don't have chain and I want to do the chain drag, and I tried it with thread and it didn't work. So I've ordered a wee bit of chain that isn't for my stock, for using to do some drag at. So that's that. Decals. I got more Halloween. Quite like this design, and I don't have it. And I just want to make sure that I'm covering all my bases, whether it be for giveaways or myself for doing designs. Same with the Christmas ones. I just want to make sure I've got plenty of options for everything I'm going to do. How cute are these snowmen? Oh my goodness. I got this one that's got the letters and be Santa Clauses. And I got this. I think it's, is it Woodland Walk it's called. I just think these are beautiful. I've already got these in my folder, but I wanted a backup set. I think I've got them in a giveaway as well, so these will be a backup set for me. I don't think they're going in a giveaway. So that's them. And the rest, I got dolphin sequins, because I mean, look at that. Who doesn't want hollow dolphins? Obviously, I will not use all them in a million years, so that'll be getting split up, and some of it will be going in giveaway pots or bags. And I love the blue crushed shell, so I decided to get the pink as well, which is absolutely beautiful. Again, I don't think I'll ever use all that, so that'll probably go in a giveaway too. And after that, everything I got was rhombus. I am obsessed with these rhombus at the moment. So we got the pink, I got red, I got brown. Now these are slightly bigger than the other ones, but they're still holographic. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I got gold, bronze. Yeah, there is a difference. There's the gold and there's the bronze. The bronze is duller than the gold, if that makes any sense at all. I got the silver, because I don't have a heck of a lot of silver. And I got, oops, the royal blue. How gorgeous are these? Oh, I could sit and look at them for hours on end. So that is what I bought for myself. It was my own order. My PR stuff this month. My goodness, look at the glitter. I'm about peeing my pants here. I love that glitter. So, we got this one to have a wee try with. It's called Fancy Pants. Although apparently Charlie forgot to write the C. So, here we have Fancy Pants. Love it. Got a couple of these strawberries. Just with summertime coming up. I've already got them, but I want to make sure that I have enough for any designs that I do. So you'll be seeing them soon. I got the yellow daisies with the black middle. How cool are they? They would have been nice on this set actually. No, because they're sunflowers, they're no daisies. They would have been really cool on this set. Could I incorporate them? Wonder if I could stick one onto there. Shut up with your tongue shite. I got holographic Mickey Mouse. Look. Look. Oh. I got, oh look at these seashells. They're iridescent. There's pink and there's blue. And they're absolutely gorgeous. I do have the, I can't remember what colour they're like a clear white iridescent. And I've got those ones for Charlie's and I've used them a couple of times in my designs. But I wanted these ones. Now I've got this as a sample as well because I want to make sure I've got plenty of it because I love stars. So that's that. And that's glitter, look. Mermaid's Journey. How beautiful. Obviously it doesn't mix up very well in the bag because all the wee bits tend to fall to one place. But look. Oh. So that'll be coming up soon. That'll probably be incorporated with that, I would think. And then I got the Disney Princess foil art. Look. We've got Cinderella. We've got Snow White. So I don't know if there'll be other ones coming out with the other princesses. But I love this. Absolutely love this. So we'll be giving this a try soon as well. So that is, keep this separate. That is my Charlie's haul for this time round. What do you like best? Anything you've got or anything you're going to buy? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Look out for a PR that I'm going to be showing you in the next couple of weeks. And I will see you in the next one.